said was a joke. It was meant to make you smile.
Leave me. Leave me, I'm not happy. I'm not! How can I give her 4 bags of weave on for the past 4 months and she's only paying me for 2? Why?
If that's a problem, why would she do such a thing? No matter what, just take it easy. Take it easy, okay? Smile.
My love, stop! I'm sorry I got angry at you. I don't know what to do. I need that money. Eh? She promised to pay up last week, and up till now she has only paid for 2 bags out of 4.
You still look very calm down.
I'm sorry, my love. I'm so sorry. I don't know what to do. I am so confused. My mom's illness is not getting any better. Yesterday she almost passed out after feeling the excruciating pain on her chest. What do I do? Her drug is almost finished. Where do I get one to buy more drugs for her? Believe me, it will finish very soon. What do I do? I am so confused. I don't know what to do.
Take it easy. Calm down. I promise you, I'll always be here for you. Okay? Take it easy. I'm sure before those drugs are finished, we'll get some money to buy them.
How? How is it? How? Where? Where do we get the money from? How? Eh?
I didn't. That's alright. You're already leaving?
Yes, I was just about to.
What is wrong with her?
Fine, nothing is wrong with me. We are just having a discussion, nothing else.
Are you sure? If you say so, no problem. Stay with her. Hey! Stand down, please don't move!
Mom! What? Please don't do this. Don't worry, I will take her. Hey, Mom, please.
Taxi, okay, anyone.
I'm not seeing anyone. Hey.
Yeah, that's how we come.
Dad, why not call Uncle Chigozie? Let him bring his bike so we can use it, please. There's no
Bike!
He's not picking his call.
Bike!
Hey, wait.
No response.
Yes, my mother. My mother is... Please help us take her to the hospital. Please, I'm begging the name of God. I didn't know she's having heart complications. Please, sir, please help us.
That's all right.
Help us, sir.
My wife has been suffering heart complication for months now. Please, help us to the nearest hospital. Please. I beg of you.
Have mercy, please. Please. Please, sir. Please, I beg you, sir.
Bring her in.
Ah, thank you, sir. God will bless you. Thank you, sir.
Hey! I wasn't talking to you. Step out. Step out! Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not? Tell me. Is this how you want to take care of her daughter? Nonsense. Please close the door.
Don't be angry. Don't be angry, please. Eh? Hey, remember.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate you.
We're trying our best. Yes.
Thank you.
So you guys will excuse me. I will have to get this to someone.
No problem. It's okay.
Thank you, Doctor.
You're welcome.
It's okay. So,
my son, I can't thank you enough. I don't know how to express my gratitude towards your kindness to my family. You are just God sent. You came exactly at the time we needed you.
Yes, we did.
May the good Lord bless you.
amen.
And also the source of your income.
Brother Chinedu, thank you so much. Thank you very much. I really appreciate what you did. May God bless you, Mama. Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay. You see, my dear, we are all adults here. So I prefer you call me by my name, Chinedu, I'm popularly known as Young Money. YM for short. Okay?
It's okay.
Thank you.
No problem.
You know, the truth of the matter is, you're a very beautiful woman. Yes. You see, our Creator took his time to create you.
Wow.
All rounder. In fact, for short, you're beautifully and wonderfully made.
Thank you, sir.
In other words, you are an epitome of beauty.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Chinedu. Young Money. Thank you,
It's okay.
sir.
It's okay. Mister, can I have your account details?
My son, I don't even have a bank account. Maybe you can have that of my daughter.
Okay then. Can I have yours?
Okay, sir. Okay. 20. 300,000 naira.
God bless you. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. God bless you. Brother Ringo, do you know I could have stolen your head and you did not know about it? Because you are not here at all. Where did you go to? You have gone far. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. Today was really stressful night. Brother, some people are so mean. Do you know that as I was about delivering parts to my customer at the junction, one stupid man came out from nowhere He nearly knocked me down with Okada. Can you imagine? Eh? That stupid, useless Okada. Brother? You are not here. What is it? I don't understand this your mood. You have been like this since I walked in. You are just acting as if you lost your girlfriend.
I did.
You did?
I lost my girlfriend.
Is she dead? Yeah. What do you mean by you? Don't tell me she left you. She left you for another man. Hey! I said it. I knew it, brother. I have always told you that that girl does not love you 100%. But you wouldn't listen to me. You are so in love. You don't used to listen to me. Now just look at yourself. You're here thinking about your life. Maybe your girlfriend that left you. I don't have anything to say. Oh. All I will tell you is cry. When you're done crying, wipe your tears and move on. Don't worry. With time, God will give you a better woman that will love and appreciate you. Forget about that girl.
What is wrong with you? Why do you like talking too much? Huh? Did I tell you we broke?
Then what happened? What happened now?
Is it not that idiot, Chinedu, that is always disturbing me? Eh? I just don't understand. My girlfriend's mother collapsed. You know, she's always having these heart issues. You know, so I wanted to rush out to the hospital. We came out to the road. I was there. We were looking for a taxi or something. You know, any means of transportation to take her. The next thing, Chinedu came from nowhere with a car. Picked my girl and the mother. Said I shouldn't enter his car. Insulted me and.
Hey, can you imagine? You should not enter his car.
I'm telling you, that idiot.
Wait, which of the Chinedu are you talking about?
Same Chinedu. Same Chinedu that is always disturbing me.
That money is true.
That monkey.
Hey! That guy likes to show himself. Hey! You should not enter his car.
Exactly. That good for nothing idiot. Monkey. Very big monkey. My problem lies that I don't even know the hospital he took her to. I don't know.
But we have those two hospitals in this village. Yes. The one close to the market and the one close to the post office. So, yes. Look at what will happen now. Let me go to the one close to the market while you go to the one close to the post office. Let's know if they are there. I think it will be better.
Okay. So what? What was that about?
What was what about?
You know what happened in there? Honestly, I'm confused. Like, why the attitude? Why are all of them giving attitude? Even Sandra. I don't get it. What is their problem? Or maybe it's just normal.
What is normal? What is normal?
The woman almost died. If not for the intervention of that man, it would have been a different case.
Am I the one that gave her heart condition? Or is it Arinze that gave her heart condition? What are you saying? God knows that Arinze tried his best. Or do you want him to kill himself for them? Is that what you want?
You know what? Let them calm down first. Maybe they will come back better. It's a state of mind.
Me, I'm not going back there. I'm not going back there.
Okay, fine. Why not go in and tell them we are leaving?
Do that yourself.
Nkechi! phone is ringing.
Yes. Arinze, why are you disturbing yourself? Why are you disturbing my cause? I warned you to stay clear. You don't want to hear. It's good you are not here because the doctor would have even allowed you in. If not for Chinedu, who drove us in his car, probably you will be calling to ask us the mortuary your mother-in-law to be was taken to. The doctor says she'll be there. She'll be here for 1 week. Never mind. Don't worry. When she's discharged, I will let you know. I'm not here.
Dad, is that Arinze?
And what is it?
You don't have to talk to him like that. He did his best.
Look at you. Look at you and your mouth. Look at you and your mouth. So, if something had happened to your mother, this nonsense is what you'll be saying. Look at you, a full-grown man like that cannot even afford a bike. Is Chinedu not his mate? If I'm not mistaken, he's even older than Chinedu.
But Dad, he's not the only man in my life who does not have a bike, and no one is complaining.
Are you referring to me? If not for your mother, I would have beaten to be that doctor. Nonsense, at all. Go on, Mali! No job.
Nkechi! I've been calling for you since now. Ada! Oh my goodness. Ada, is this I've been shouting your name now. Ada, it's sitting really good on you. Look at you. You're so fine. What's good in me? Is that why I've been shouting your name since? I don't know. Yeah, I was not saying so. It's okay now. How is the city? Ada, you're not looking very fine. City girl. Johnny, city girl, please forget. That city stressed me a lot. That's why I came back. And so where are you going to now? I went to see someone. Yes. Nkechi. Huh? You don't look alright. What's wrong? I'm not looking at you. Did you know that stupid girl called Sandra? Sandra? My brother's girlfriend, of course. Oh, Sandra. So what about her? I don't know why she keeps hurting my brother. Like, she treats my brother like trash. Yes, my brother don't want to see anything wrong with what she does. Nkechi, your brother is a grown-up man. They are just in love. Just let them be. So because they're in love, I should sit back and allow her hurt my brother. That's not what I meant. All I'm trying to say is that your brother is big enough to know what is good for him. He's just like her, that's all. Cheer up. Just cheer up. You don't know what my brother is going through in the hands of that girl. Very stupid girl. Very annoying thing. It's okay now. It's okay. It's okay. I was going to get something. Will you mind following me? It's okay. It's okay. Who said that you I'm not happy. It's not funny. No, I'm happy seeing you. I'm calling your name. Are you just coming back from miles ago?
Yes, sir. Good to see you, sir. So good to see you. I've been praying. I've been praying that God should just, keep Mother safe so that nothing will happen to her. And Seeing you now, I believe she's back from the hospital. Thank God. I even bought some things for her. Let me just see.
Arinze, come back here. Come back here. You see, it is only a child that needs to be full of before he takes a break. But for adults, a word is enough for a wise. You see, since you have decided to remain a child, I can spell it out for you. Let me just tell you, I'm no longer in support of a relationship with my daughter. Please, let her be.
Why?
I can see that you are not ready for it now. Go and get yourself something doing, and that is my position.
Sir, you can't talk like this. You know I try. Soon everything will be fine. I have to do everything. Talk to me. Tell me you love it. You know what I did to you.
Just let it go. Yes. Let it go now before it hurts you later. Please.
Hey.
Yeah.
To be honest with you, I never wanted this to continue. I mean, I always had feelings for you. But I don't want to live this kind of life that my mother is living. No, I don't want that. No offense, Dad. Let me say, my mother almost died. She almost died just because of money. Tomorrow it might be my father. It might be my dad. What do you want me to do?
No, it's not my fault that your parents are living like this now. I try. I buy you things, but I try.
I really say, I'm not saying it's your fault, but...
Good morning, sir. Hey, Abakundikon. You're welcome. Come and take a seat. Sit down. Relax. Sit well, comfortably.
Sandra, how are you?
I'm fine, Chinedu. You're welcome.
That's good. What is it doing here?
My son, he came to see a neighbor and decided to stop over to see my daughter. So I was telling him that everything about it is over. He should go. But it's like he doesn't want to go.
It's okay. How is your mom doing, Sandra?
My mom, she's fine. She's fine now.
Yeah. My wife is fine. She's resting. She's inside. Do you want to see her?
No, it's okay. When we return from our outing, I'll see her.
You know, sometimes I feel like confronting that useless girl. I feel like confronting her. Hi! I know my brother will not be happy if I do it. I mean, how dare she treat my brother anyhow? Because he loves her. Can you imagine? Why would she be treating my brother like that? As if my brother is nothing, treating him like trash. Can you imagine? Okay. My brother bought provisions to go and visit her sick mother. She had the guts to embarrass him in front of Chinedu. Here, what's all this now? Hey! See, just let her be. Let her be. You don't need to bring yourself so low by confronting her. Just let her be. Maybe it's Chinedu she wants. Let her go now. Just talk to your brother. Maybe he will forget about her. Will he listen? Hey, my brother. Put up aside that. Who's Agaro? Because love has covered his eyes. My brother, I have been talking. I have been advising him. Brother, leave this girl. Leave this girl. This girl will send you to your early grave. For where? Hi. For where?
Don't blame me now.
You
cannot blame him. It's
My
love.
dear, I'm done.
When you're in love, you start doing stupid things.
You just need to keep talking sense to yourself. So this one is what I call blind love. Just keep talking. Talk. You enter.
Hey, stop there! Stop there! Please do whatever you call it. Stop right there.
Arize, or what exactly you are called? Have you no shame?
Yes, I have no shame. Can you hear me? I have no shame. Hear it from me. I have no shame. I was have to let the whole world hear me. And no shame. Stay away from anything that concerns me. Can you hear me? Stay away.
Now listen to me, little boy. It is okay to be broke, like it is very okay to remain poor for life. But you see, to be broke, stupid and rude, it will be very difficult for you to make it in this life.
I accept. I am broke, stupid, shameful, anything. Is it your broke? Is it not my broke? Stay away from you. Stay away from me. You will see a side of me you've never seen all your life.
Hey, let him be.
Touch me now. Go ahead and touch me. Just borrow me 6 feet now. 6 feet. Idiot. All the jobs we have in this village, you don't want to do any of them. You are following this hoodlum.
What I pay the both of them is enough to feed your home and your entire neighborhood. Do you know that?
How won't it be enough? All they give with a palliative. Or see, deny. All they give with a palliative hoodlum. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. I don't have joy. For peace to reign, Chinedu, stay away from me. Stay away from anything that concerns me.
Arize, you are a loser. Yes, you were a loser and you will always be a loser for the rest of your miserable life on this earth.
Fine, I have lost everything, but I want Sandra. Can you hear me? I want Sandra. Sandra is going to be my wife. She loves me, I love her, and I'm taking very good care of her.
The same way you took care of Ezinbo. Huh?
Where the police ordered you not to enter this land. So what are you doing here?
What is yours? Is this your land? My friend, get out of this place.
The land belongs to my uncle. So indirectly it's mine. Leave here.
Anyways, I'm going nowhere. So do your worst.
Let the world hear me. The police ordered you not to enter here. The police ordered you not to enter this land though.
Police call police. Go to the barracks. Go and bring all the soldiers and the police people. I am here waiting for them. Nonsense. I call business, I call police. Police call police. I was calculating something. 1.
So, do you think that my mother is giving you green light to make him up?
What?
I mean, do you think that my mother wants you to come and meet my people as soon as possible?
I can't really say, but I'm surprised. So I'm wondering where that question is coming from.
But why are you not thinking about it though? Like that?
Arinze, please, the police are after me. Tell them you didn't see me, Pico, please. Tell them you didn't see me. Where's that Arinze?
Wait, calm down, don't fight.
Don't tell us where he is now. I'll shoot you.
Pico, don't shoot. Please, I'll show you. There, you want In there. Wait in there. You pass the other side.
Hey! Look at him here, criminal.
Hey!
Officer! See him here.
Hey!
Move! Come out! Move now. Put your hands on your head. Move now. Move! Your hands on your head, I said. Move over here. Move it! Move!
Handcuff him!
Move it! Criminal! Move over here!
Very dangerous, sir. Very dangerous. Handcuff him.
Arinze, you will regret this. You will regret this, Arinze, when I come back. I will make sure I fight you with everything I have got.
Shut up! That's it, you come back! Move! Move again!
Handcuff, leg chain, everything.
What did you just do?
What did I do?
Did we not agree that you should not get involved in that guy's issues anymore?
You and who agreed? Agreed on what?
Obim, you know that guy is a dog. He's a mad dog. He can do anything at any time.
That is why he should be in prison. Mad dogs should not be allowed to roam our village. Should be in prison.
Obim, I don't like what you did. You shouldn't have gotten yourself into it now. You shouldn't have gotten involved.
If I see crime, I'll just kill it. Crime is crime. It should be identified and taken care of. The criminal.
What is it? Don't tell me you fought again, no.
I didn't fight.
How will somebody go to the farm after cleaning that big grass in this hot sun? You just come back, there's no food in this house. No small food like this that we just eat. Eh? And I'm hungry and so tired. I am sorry, okay? Just I went to see Arinze. I know. Every time Arinze, somebody will not eat because of Arinze in this house. I just said I am sorry, Chika. Please forgive me. Okay, let's go inside. While you take your bath, I'll be making your meal. Is that okay by you?
Arinze, however you should have just left that guy. You should have just told the police you hadn't seen him at all.
But I saw him.
Just listen, Arinze, listen. We all know Chinedu is a notorious guy, we know that. And from childbirth, this guy doesn't let go. He will definitely come back for you. You know that.
Really?
What do we do now?
You're asking me. Ask him.
See, I don't know why people are mad. The police gave him 6 months jail term. So he'll be away from this village for 6 months. So why are you worrying yourself?
6 months is not a long time, man.
My brother, let me educate you. 6 months is just 3 months and 27 days, and he's here.
Yes. At least that's enough time for his head to cool down. Then he will learn. He will learn that what he's been doing is wrong. That's enough time. The police even told him that.
What is Arinze saying, for heaven's sake? Guy, Are you even listening to yourself? 3 months and few is 1, 2, 3. Ha. This is serious, oh. Arinze, where are you going?
To the evil forest to hang myself, so that when he comes out, he will not see me.
It's all right. Okay.
How are you? Is there any problems? You're asking me? You're asking me if there is any problem. How can there be peace when you have decided not to let my brother be? Because of you, my brother does not have my time anymore. He's always at your beck and call. Ezine, leave my brother alone. Leave him alone. Ogenede. Kechi, I honestly do not understand what you're talking about. Don't even pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about. Because you do. You do. Well, I don't have your time. Where do you think I'll come back here, Osiso? What's that one? What's wrong with you? What's that one? I'm not yet done talking and you want to walk out on me. Are you mad? Because of you, my brother refused to give me money for my jump. Because he said he's saving money to pay your bride price. Bride price. Meanwhile, I should not enter school, I should not take my jump. Listen and listen real good. Witch, my brother will not marry you. You called me a witch? Yes. Oh, you don't know. But nobody has told you before. You are a witch if you don't know. Nkechi, you called me a witch. You are a witch. And do you know what they do to witches? They suffer not the witches to live so I'm going to stop it! I don't want to fight you! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Leave my body! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Leave my body! Stop it! Stop it! Leave him alone! I'm taking it out! How dare she? How dare she do that? Why would she do that? Don't worry, she's going to know the kind. Come on, come here! I know what I'm about to do! What is wrong with you? Are you silly? Sister, hey sister, why would she do this to you, eh? How dare she? What gave her the guts? Just take a look at your body, eh? Chika, I was the one that was beaten, not you. Why are you taking it so personal? Why would I take it too personal? Eh? Why will I not? You would have allowed me go there and give her my own portion of the beating. It's okay. That's enough. I don't want you to get involved in this, please. At least for the sake of Arinze. Please. Sister, it's you. It's you. I know you like to fight. I know you want to fight for me, but not now. Please. Hey, sister. It's because of you. Because of you. If not, if I get there, I'll break her hair. Because of me. Let's go back.
Ross, I do. The piece from my talent.
I never talk to the piece now. I have talent. I never talk to the piece. So no worry.
No worry. No rush, no worry. You will show love now. I
don't understand. You can show love.
Bro, calm down. Show us love. Normal level. You don't come now. Don't reach the airport is secure. See where you the peace. Now what for you? Show love. Normal level.
Let me tell you. If you don't smoke banana, look my face well. Look my face well.
Hey! Come back! Hey! Don't fear! You don't fear, Abi! You don't find we go mess with me! If I will go mess with you, I will small belly. I will make big cake.
Not know you.
Now listen, let me tell you something. If you know how you mess with China, you go and clean it up. I give you from now to 24 hours.
Wow.
We just will clean it all, or else 24 hours. 24 hours! Boys! Yes, man. 24 hours, man.
24 hours, yes. 24 hours. 24 hours.
How dare you! Don't you ever mention that name again! Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Stupid! Now you listen. Listen and listen attentively. What you and Arinze did to me is enough for me to strangle you to death. It's enough for me to delete you just like that. But because I am a good person, I am going to give you a second chance.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, boss. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Sit down. Have this.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I insist. Light it yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Now, listen. If you do what I'm about asking you to do, I will make you very rich.
What is it? Tell me.
Good. Good. Now you listen. Arinze must go down. Arinze must go down.
Kene, I am not getting any younger. My friends are in their husbands' home. And I am here waiting on someone I don't even know how serious it takes me.
Isn't it? I understand how you feel. Arinze is my friend. And I will look out for him anytime, any day. But we need to call a spade a spade. You are beautiful. Very, very beautiful and ripe to marriage. He should not be wasting your time. But here's what we'll do. You will go to his house. Don't get me wrong. You don't fight here. You go to his place.
talk to him one-on-one, heart to heart, so we will know where he's headed for.
I can't do that, honestly.
Why?
Because it will look as if I am the one that is pressing him to get down with me. Fine, I love him and I know. That is not enough reason for me to do that.
Trust me, you need to trust me on this one. Sometimes, though not in all cases, men needs to be pressed. You need to confront him so that nobody will come tomorrow and blame another.
Ekene, he's a man. Let him act like one.
I understand, but you need to trust me on this one. Trust me, he's my friend. I know him better than you do.
Are you sure this will work?
It will. And you will not regret it. I'm telling you, please do it.
Honestly, I'm only going to do this because I trust you.
And believe you me, isn't it? She will not regret it. Now go before he leaves.
Sister, you know I love you so much. People have been talking a lot concerning you and Arinze. And I don't know how you even sure he's going to get married to you. I don't want you to make mistake.
Chika, you're my sister and I will not lie to you. Okay? Honestly, I do not care about what people think about me and Arinze, because I know we love each other so much and we're going to get married. Okay, I've not told you since. I wanted it to be a surprise. But since this is up now, let me say it. Arinze has been trying to gather money in order to make plans on how to come and see our people.
Are you serious? Yeah. Wow!
You know, he cannot come on empty-handed.
Yes, true. Yes.
So please, bear with me, okay? I really appreciate your concern.
Okay, then. But since it's like this and you're sure he's going to get married to you, no problem. I stand with you.
Fighter.
Yes.
Fighter. Yeah, fighter.
What is it?
So many pieces like this. You're crying.
Don't cry now. What is it? Are you okay? Are you sick?
So, you know I love Arinze, right?
Yes, I know. Everyone in this community knows that. Hey, wait though. Don't tell me he has broken up with you.
No. My parents are threatening to give me out to another man if by the end of the month he doesn't come to pay my dowry.
Eh? Have you discussed with him?
Yes, I have. Oh, he's still telling me to give him more time. That little time is what I do not have. He said he's been running around to see if he could gather money in order to come and see my people. I don't know what to do. I don't want to be married to someone else. I love Arinze too much.
It's okay, huh? We have to stop crying. Don't stop, don't cry again. I know you love him so much. And he loves you too. You won't lose him, okay? Let's just pray he gets the money. So that he will come and pay your bride price. Oh no, don't cry again. Don't mind your parents. They will not do anything. Oh, stop, my dear. Stop crying.
I came from the city just to see my father, and I must confess you're beautiful, and I would like us to be friends. And we get to know ourselves, and believe me, I would like to marry you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate all that you just said. But I am not interested.
Look, you don't need to say that. You are beautiful and I can take care of you. I would like to take you off this locality. Okay, you don't deserve to be here. Okay, what are you doing with a girl like you? Just... Look, I know what I'm saying. I will help your life.
What's wrong? You're just standing there looking very unhappy. Oh, Kenny, you're not telling me anything.
So you're going to pretend that you don't know the reason I am here, Rinze? Oh, you think I am playing, right?
Am I drunk? Of course I know you're not playing. Nobody plays like this with this kind of face. It's not possible. That's why I'm asking you. What's wrong?
It's been 3 months. 3 long gone months, Rinze, since you told me you would come see my parents. Up till now, I cannot even see a positive actions in you. You should have been bold enough to tell me you are not coming. You should have been bold enough to tell me you are not ready to take me in as a wife. You should have also been bold enough to tell me you do not want me, instead of leading me on and making me fool myself before my parents.
Hey.
You are sorry. You are sorry just like all other time, Rinze. Tell me, what will your being sorry do in this situation? Will your being sorry put a ring on my finger? Rinze, will your being sorry make me your wife? Will your being sorry take me home as your own? What will your being sorry do? Your sorry is the least I expect to hear at this moment. Leave me alone.
I understand you. Believe me, I always try to put myself in your shoes. I know what you are passing through. You are a woman. I know. Sometimes you'll be looking as if I'm playing you, but I'm not. I want to go see your parents and take you as a wife, but I don't have. Adabaka and wine. It doesn't happen anywhere. You must have some money in your account. Then you'll also be doing something. Honestly, I don't have. People don't understand.
I am not complaining. I don't care about your money, Rinze. I love you for who you are, please. Stop doing this to me except you don't feel the same way that I do.
I feel the way you do.
Then take me in as your wife.
I need time. Just a little time.
How much more time? I am not getting any younger. My mates are in their husband's home. You're not being fair to me, Rinze. You're breaking me into pieces. You are breaking me, Rinze. If you do not want me, why not say it? Say it so I can move on with my life. Say it so I can just heal and get a life. Rinze, say it if you are not interested in me. Stop hurting me like this. What is this, Rinze?
What are you doing?
You're my brothers. Help me talk to her. Beg her, let her understand. I love her very much. Nobody can contest that. I love her and I want to marry her. I just need time. Let her give me time.
But let me ask, what if she falls in love with any of us?
Why are you talking like this? This is not a joke. It's not a joke. I'm serious. Help me talk to her, please.
It's alright. We will talk to her. In fact, I will personally talk to her. But as you know, it's her decision.
Of course. I know that. I'm not a child. I'm not forcing her. Let's just do our part and leave the rest to her. Oh? Thank you.
What is it? What is wrong with you? Nkechi, please. I am not in for your troubles today. The fact that I didn't tell your brother what you did the last time doesn't mean I don't want troubles either.
Ezinne, I'm not here to make troubles with you either. I just want to say I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the other day. I didn't know what came over me.
You are sorry?
Yes.
You came out from nowhere, fought me, and even beat me up for doing nothing. Listen. I love your brother so much. I love him with my life. But you're misunderstanding the whole thing. You must also know that your brother loves you so much. One more thing. I will never take your brother away from you. I am not a bad person, Nkechi.
It's alright. Like I said, I'm sorry.
You won't fight me again, right?
Ekene, how far? Were you able to talk to her? Hey, you need to see what... She finished me this afternoon, I'm telling you. Yes, you need to hear the things she said to me. She just finished me completely. Atagoma of Ekene. Where are you? Alright, I'm coming to where you are right away. Believe me. She talked to me like I'm nothing. She even threatened to start dating someone else. Huh? What? No, wait. That she's seeing who? Are you for real? No, tell me who is dating who? Chinedu. Same Chinedu. Hey, I'm coming to where you are.
I'm listening. Good. Now guess what? The plan is working. Arinze just called me and he told me all that happened. It's fine. Now here's what you will do. If he calls you today and tomorrow, do not pick his calls. Don't even return his texts. Do you understand?
Listen to me. Listen to me. I'm trying to help you. You need to trust me on this one. Don't pick his calls. Do you hear me? Believe you me, in a month or two, the next person you will see in your father's house is Harinze. Just do as I say and you will see this thing work. Okay? Good. Good girl. I'll talk to you soon.
Sister, who are you talking to? Okay, I guess, Arinze. Shebi?
It's not Arinze, please.
Then, if it's not Arinze, who will you be talking to on the phone with? Yes. Who now? Because I know you will not be talking to anybody apart from Arinze, so who were you talking with?
Hey, what is wrong with you?
Sister, are you sure you have not started? So,
this girl, are you alright?
Sister, I'm alright too.
You not can't do such a thing to Arinze, and I'm not like that, you know.
Girl, no problem. So, who were you talking to?
What's your business with whom I am talking to?
I want to know, man.
I know I was drunk. We were having an argument because she was sleeping with someone else behind my back. And I found out through a friend.
Go on.
That's it, man. I don't know, I may have hit her as a result of my drunkenness.
You really hit her, right?
I never said I hit her. I never said I hit her. I said I made her. I was drunk. You know, I remember it was just two of us in the room. I asked her to leave. She didn't want to go. You know, we were having an argument. But then I slept off. I woke up in the morning and found her dead.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't just. This friend of yours, what's his name? The guy that took Photoshop with you the day Chinedu sorted the farmer.
Yes. He was the one who told me about his imminent affair with Chinedu. He's my best friend. So the other one, Chidi, the taller one, he hasn't been in the village for a while.